and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do the Boxycharm unboxing. I have two. Actually, I have a big one and I have a small one. I don't even know what are this. I don't know what's inside yet. So Boxycharm is a curated box like other boxes that I did before, just like House Box, Ipsy. So this is a Boxycharm, and we are going to do the small one first, and then let's see what's inside of it. Okay. 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 This is very exciting because this is my first time getting this Boxycharm. So this is all we have on the small one. So this is good to know because all the prices are here. Ooh. So number one, I have this, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I have this Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. I don't know how you pronounce the first word. This one, if you see it, that one. So it says it's Sunset Bronzer. So this is a full size. So let's see how much is this. It should be here. So this item is $24. Wow. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Wow. So this is what it looks like. That one. And if you're going to open it, oops, that's so pretty. This. Wow. I don't know if I'm going to use it because I have too much makeup already, but it's pretty nice. So that's number one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Number two is we have this 02 Velvet Lip Perfector. So it's for your lips, and this is $26. This one, it's $26, and let's see inside. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is huge. Oh, let me try. Oh my god. So that's the look. That one. That's the color. It's reddish. I mean, you can call it dark red. I am definitely gonna use this one because I love red color in my lips. Number three, we have this I Am Inspiring Definer Brow Pencil. It's from Realher. It's an eyebrow pencil. Use some of the products of Realher, whatever. I actually have the lip tint before from Realher, and I've got the nude color. Really? I don't want to damage the box because I might not use it, but I guess I need to. I want to show it to everyone. And this product is $16 value for this one. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Oh, okay. Okay, I like that. Oh, what? Oh! Wow! So this long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual like hairs for subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. So this is the brush. You do like this. Dun, 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 dun. The one that you have to put on the brow. So it's black. It's a black color. Yep. Okay. Very nice. I'm gonna use this one. So number, well, how many? 1, 2, 3. So we still have 2 more items on the box, and we have this Glamglow Moisturizer. Okay, let me read it again. So this is the Hollywood, California Glamglow Moisturetrip Omega Rich Moisturizer. Creamy hydrate. Ugh, it's French. Whatever. So this is the moisturizer, guys. I love moisturizer. And this is $54 value. Oh my god, look at this. It's so stunning. It's so beautiful. Look at that. I'm so excited. So, I don't like the smell. It's like a regular moisturizer. But this is what it looks like inside. That one. Okay. That's a $54 value. And it says is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer. It's for me. Really? With omega rich cannabis. Oops. What is this? Seed oil that helps calm irritation. Well, that's me because I'm combination. And relieve visible redness. I have redness. And optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. Wow, good job, Boxycharm. Okay, the last one is we have this violet Voss. I don't know why I have this tongue, but we have this violet Voss essentials too. So this is eyeshadow Empress pigment palette. This one is, where is it? $36 value for this eyeshadow. So this is what it looks like inside. Wow, not bad. But definitely I'm just gonna use all the brownish color. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those vivid color. It's too adventurous for me. We'll see if there's any occasion I might use some of the different color, but this is really nice. Okay, so that is for the small box. So we have 5 items inside. And of course I'm going to put it on a description box, all the prices, the name and the prices for sure. Okay, so this is the part 1 to do the large box from Boxycharm as well. Just gonna open it. See, okay, let's get started right away. So I have the same thing as the small box. They also have the prices here. The name and the prices. This. Okay, so let's see what we've got. Ooh, this is a lot actually. Look at this. Wow. Number 1. Ooh. Really? I love this brand. This brand. You see that? It's her. Oh my god. Okay. First of all, this is the Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. And oh, this is $36 value. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas This cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. So this eyeshadow is cruelty-free. Wow, isn't it nice? Oh my god, look at these colors. I love these colors. This is what I wanted. I'm into like brownish, reddish, but not like the other one, like violet, blue, purple, lavender, that color. I'm not into that. Oh my, ow. Oh, so excited. I love this box. So, dun, 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 dun. Wow, really? It's so pretty. I can't wait to use this one. I can't wait. Like there's like a matte and shimmer eyeshadows there. Wow, I don't want to use this violet color, but we'll see if there's any occasion. Wow. Huh. I'm impressed. This is $36. Wow. Really? That's number one. Okay, number two. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the box. The same as the small one. And then we have, what's this? It's Studio Makeup Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. Oh, really? I thought it was a lipstick. It's an eyeshadow. So this is $25. So it says that get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. This lightweight decadent formula is a perfect addition to your glow. And apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance, or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. Really? So this is what it looks like. I want to try this. Ooh. Really? It's so beautiful. Wow, look at that. You see that? That color. That color is so amazing. So stunning. Wow. Really? I'm stunned. Okay, next. So we have Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. So it's an eye mask. Remember that I did the Cosback unboxing? Got the Grace and Stella as well. And I don't know if I'm gonna get Grace and Stella in my Ipsy too. Maybe? I don't know. But this one is an eye mask. So let me check. This is $21. And it says it is anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. It is 12 pairs. So suffering from a dark circles, puffy with eye bags, fine lines. Yes, it's me. Yup, I have that. And general fatigue around your eyes. Yeah, obviously. You see that? Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with this eye mask, and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Wow, I need this. I need this for my eyes. Wow. Really? Okay, next. So we still have 3 products left. So next one is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster Watermelon Green Tea Pineapple. This is what it looks like, that one. This one looks expensive, but I'm gonna see how much is this. $49.95. $49.95. So it is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, green tea extract come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protect against UV damage, and help reduce eventual signs of aging. How to use as a booster: mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum. Can be applied in the morning and evening. As a serum, apply 3 drops directly to face and neck after cleansing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And wait. Let me check. So, wow. It looks elegant. Yeah, it looks really expensive. It is 30 ml. Oh my. Oops. Not bad. The smells good. I'm gonna try it later. Okay. So we still have 2 left. So I have the, what's this? It's a quick color switch. Dry makeup brush cleanser. Oh, dry makeup brush cleaner. Okay. Okay, let me read what is this actually. So this is a Lavish quick color switch dry brush cleaner. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. This is $20 value. So I don't know if I have my brush here. So the last one is we have the Fill Up Orange Touch in Sol. Touch in Sol. S-O-L. So it's Touch in Sol. I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They gave me extra. They give me extra one. Really, Boxycharm? Thank you. Thank you. This extra from the box. Ooh. It's an eyeshadow. Wow. Look at that color. I think this is better than the other one because it's more a lot of nude color, except the orange one. Wow. I'm wondering how much is this. But thank you, Boxycharm, for giving me extra product from your box. Or maybe because this is my first time to get your box. Maybe. Okay, so that's it for everything, guys. And of course, all the products from the box I'm going to put in the description box below, including with the prices. Okay, I think that would be it. I still have the Ipsy. I haven't opened it yet because I don't know, just today I'm feeling blah. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I hope you had fun. Of course, if you have any questions, just comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button, and click the thumbs up. I hope everyone is doing great. Stay safe and stay healthy, of course. And thank you for watching.